The Gregor Mendel Institute of Molecular Plant Biology was founded in 2000 by the Austrian Academy of Sciences. And in 2006 we moved to Dr. Borgarther 3, and since then we grew very fast, and now we realized that the scientists in plant molecular biology have very strong need in high-performance computational infrastructure, and we as a team we try to provide this infrastructure the best way we can towards the scientists.
We come from a classical HPC batch scheduling background, so the typical user would log in directly to some shell-based interface and submit their jobs. This is something that is changing at the moment. We see more and more scientific applications being released with web interfaces, or also appliances where the user has no direct interaction with the computer, but in a certain way just pushes a button on a machine that then in turn produces some workload on our scientific compute infrastructure. To integrate these new applications with our classical way of scientific computing, we went forward and implemented SUSE OpenStack Cloud to allow our customers to deploy their own applications by themselves. Our scientific compute infrastructure is currently deployed using SUSE Enterprise Linux, and therefore it was a natural choice to stay with our existing partner SUSE. Another good argument to go with SUSE OpenStack Cloud is the cost efficiency. In comparison with other vendors, we found that we have significant savings continuing to go with SUSE.
So since last year we have SUSE OpenStack Cloud running at the Gregor Mendel Institute. This allows us to provide an infrastructure as a service to our users and customers, which in turn allows them to provision virtual machines and run their own services self-service, and we can actually limit the resources they can use. So SUSE OpenStack Cloud allows a much greater velocity for our customers to run and deploy services. That's both for them useful, but also for us it reduces the amount of work we have to put in, because we only administer and maintain the infrastructure. So ultimately, the user might not only be interested in virtual machines, but actually using services like databases and so on. So what we actually want to provide, and more software is also released as containers, and so what we want to provide is some means to allow the user to run containers on SUSE OpenStack Cloud. So this is really important, and we want to jump on this train. Reduction in sequencing costs generate a lot of data which we have to store somewhere. So storage is very important. So one solution would be maybe to use SUSE Enterprise Storage using, for example, Ceph.
So far, the cooperation and the partnership with SUSE was very good. We had a first implementation of SUSE OpenStack Cloud last year with the help and support of SUSE, and we are in close contact with the daily support, and if we have problems, we always got fast feedback and answers. For the future, we see little problems in terms of storage, and there could be solutions like Ceph, or in the end containerizing applications for the scientists is on the brink, and we see that already in SUSE OpenStack Cloud 7 the containerizing already has improved, and we are looking forward to work together with SUSE in the future.